All right, I've started the recording. So we are on week 2, day 1. The demo for today is DOM manipulation. And we're going to be using the algorithm that we've built this morning in our algo session to create an app. And I'll go ahead and show an example of what that app will be in a second here. And then after that, we'll be doing some lab and code reviews so that we can get caught up on any subject that we feel that we're weak on. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the lab. I'm going to break us out into groups once I demonstrate this. So we're going to take our magic ball, our code for a magic ball. We're going to build some CSS and HTML. And we are going to let our buttons here and some input. So we're going to make an input here that will allow for text. So we'll say, what's a question you asked the magic ball? Here, will I find true love? And you ask the ball, concentrate and ask again. All right. Will I be rich? Okay, not so good. Oh, it is good. At least I'll be rich. Okay, so it's a silly little thing here that we can make. You want to make it a little bit cooler than this. Make it an actual ball, right? Make it a little bit more styled, but this is just the foundation demo. So take that result, whatever you made for the life's answers algo this morning, where it spewed out an answer out of this array, and make that answer appear on the HTML side of things. Okay, that's it for today. So we'll do a demonstration at the end. If you finish the functionality of it, get to this point, whereas you're just making text appear, and then add some styling once you've got the text to appear. Okay, add the styling, make it a ball, make it blue like it is in the Toy Story movie, or however you see the magic ball, wherever you've seen it before. And that's it for today. All right, and then we're going to do some lab and code reviews. Okay, any questions?
Can you post that default HTML there so we can just start with that? And
No.
then no. Okay.
This is so simple. Look at it. It's just an H1 that has some color maroon, background color yellow. This is just another header. This is an input with the button. And then you're just changing this output here. This is another H1. You guys can make this. I'm pretty confident you guys have this. Okay, that's half the thing. You guys already have the algorithm built that it makes a certain output. Now you just have to make it appear on the web page and give it some style. So it should be a really relaxed group session today. Okay, and then I'll check on the groups, see how you guys are doing, and if you guys all finish before the hour, then we'll just do a demos and cut it short and cut straight to the lab. Or if you don't want to be in the lab, go back to studying your assignments. Okay? All right. If there's no questions, I'll go ahead and break out the groups. All right, so let's get started. Breakout rooms, recreate. Cool. All right, rooms are open. Have fun with it, guys.
You're muted, Josh.
I was just moving my lips really fast, so fast. No words didn't come out. It's like an old movie.
I've noticed that Zoom has a little trouble keeping up with you. Sometimes your word, the audio comes out, but your mouth's lagging behind a little bit.
Like, I will defeat you. All right, let's do some sharing. So this wasn't too, yeah, it was pretty light, right? Not too difficult.
Starting it was difficult. Once you get it, it feels real light.
Okay, good. All right, so let's all present. Let's see who's got the best CSS here. This is I know that everyone got a functionality going, so I'm proud of every one of you. I just want to see what you guys could do with the leftover time. So let's have Spencer's group. You're number one.
Oh, okay. Do you want the finished product or do you want the script up too?
Let's see the finished product, and then we'll everyone's got the code running, so we all know what to do. We were just gonna compare views. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Hell, Zoltan. Do you wish to be big?
Concentrate and ask.
Yeah.
There's one more question here. Someone asked something. Are we all going to pass the test this Wednesday?
Actually, I did a version of this question already. And I got Outlook good. So everybody's
okay,
awesome.
You don't want to ruin it.
Knock on wood.
It is certain.
I get big. What does that mean? All right.
It's from the movie Big.
It's from the movie Big. The Zoltan.
I'm famous.
I guess I'm just the probably what am I, the oldest guy here? Am I the only one who's pushing in the 40 mark? Is everybody else? Is anybody else
I remember Big.
Hey Spencer.
No.
Oh.
What?
How did you get your input text to disappear when you click the button?
I set the element that you type text into as its own variable, and I set the element value of it to be just a space.
Let's see the code. Let's see the code. If you wouldn't mind sharing.
So this saves the text box as a box variable, and then when the thing gets clicked, it sets the value of that variable to just the space.
Cool.
Nice.
That was the hardest part, is trying to figure out how to do that.
Well, you can do dot remove, right? That might also do it.
Wouldn't it remove the whole text box?
It remove the whole text box, but doesn't it, if you refresh the page, doesn't it come back?
Yeah, that's one extra click.
Okay.
Per iteration, I guess, though.
So what I didn't pay attention. What does it do now? So when you said to a blank.
Now it just I had the insert quarter button clear out the text, so it's gonna reset it to blank all by itself. That's actually the space.
I see. Okay.
That blue is the highlighted space that gets inserted in there by the JavaScript.
I see. Okay, I thought you were eliminating what would you like to know. I thought for some reason that's what it was. Okay.
Could you use null instead of space there?
Yeah, I could probably not even have a space. I think I could do that. What screen are you guys seeing right now?
Your Google.
We're seeing Zoltan.
So when I have no space, it returns the placeholder text.
Cool.
Nice. Good job, guys. Well done. Let's see another group here. Evan's group.
Okay. Very simple, not too fancy this time. Just what is your question?
Predicaton.
That's intentional. Very predicaton, very good. Anyways, yeah, that's that, and then it works. I don't know. What's a question? How are you? You may rely on it.
You want a yes or no question?
I know. I just it goes through all of them. It's good.
Okay. All
yeah,
right.
I'm sorry. We didn't go all out this time. We were trying to answer some other questions too, some things we were figuring out. So
Okay. Okay. Good job, guys. You did it. Now let's see if I memorized the group. Omar's group. Omar, was your group called on yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Let's go. Predicaton machine.
that's going to be the title now.
It does sound like a machine, like a transformer name or something.
Plug it into the Predicaton.
Yeah, seriously.
Do you have a prediction?
Who's going right now?
Omar's group. I don't know if Omar heard me. Okay. Omar, are you presenting?
I didn't have it.
Okay. Who in
I
your
can
group?
I can present mine.
Okay, go ahead.
So this is what I have. I didn't have time to design because I made a mistake in the JavaScript, so it took me a while. So, but
That's
this is what I
fine.
have now. Yeah.
Okay, let's see if it works. Cool. There we are. Nice. Very doubtful of whatever that word is. Okay, and Tina's group.
Damn it. Almost there. Promise I wasn't trying anything. I was totally trying to do the thing you told me not to do.
Okay. Now we have a div that's a ball size.
Hold on. I need to erase the code that I was playing with.
Oh,
What is it doing? Sorry.
Kind of an evil looking color scheme, you know.
Huh?
Oh, nothing.
Yeah, totally.
cool.
That's cool, Tina.
Continue if you dare.
Let's click it again.
Click it a few times. I was wondering if that would happen.
I need to make it not a triangle.
Very nice. We got a nice little ball there. Very cool. Nice job. Any group that did not present that I should have called on?
That's us.
Mike.
Ours is the web 1.0 version of everybody's. Got some nice harsh colors in here, blinding white background.
Like, it's classic, all right? It's like the classic look. Classic 90s.
I prefer
I'd say
retro.
that's more like the 80s look right there. That's like floppy disk version.
It's a crisp vintage, aged to perfection.
Nice.
One thing I did notice between our code and Spencer's, who's the only other one that showed code, was Spencer, you guys defined variables outside of the function, whereas everything we did was within the Oracle function. Josh, do you know the difference between that, or
Yes,
why?
right now it's called scope. The scope is the access to variables inside and without the function. I'm not going to talk about scope because we're already trying to learn enough. So just know that right now it does it. The only thing that you need to define in the function is what's going to change. Okay. So you can have it within or without. There is a better way, but it doesn't matter right now. Okay. We just want to figure out when you click the button, you run the function changes something. So line 26, where we say future.innerText equals answer, that's the part that matters. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Okay. So to a degree it matters. What Tina said in the chat is true. Yeah, so the variables you declare in a function are only available within the scope of that function. Okay, that's the only other rule I will say. But other than that, you guys all had it running. So you guys all did the assignment. Good job, guys. So pat yourselves on the back. Light and easy, right? Nothing too stressful. Good.
I wanted to make the ball to shake.
A what?
I wanted to make the ball to shake.
Oh, okay. Shake and spin and jump across the screen.
No, I think the Zoltan got it. That was pretty good.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop the recording. Thank you guys.